How to fix Roblox error code 403. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how you're going to be able to fix the Roblox error code 403 in Roblox. So if you get the Roblox 403 error code, it's probably going to say an error code was encountered during this authentication. It might look a little like this, Roblox error code. It's going to say that, an error code was encountered during all of this authentication process. Please try again, etc. So to fix this error, there's two things that you're going to need to do. Obviously, first of all, the fix for every issue is to just restart your router. Okay. That's mainly the fix for everything. Just restart your router and reinstall your Roblox. Now, once you've done those both and it's still not fixed, then one thing that will fix it is you're going to open up run. Okay. And here you're going to write temp percentage. Once you do that, you're going to click on OK, and this is going to take you to the temp file location. I'm going to select all of these, and I'm going to delete all of them. And as you can see, not does this only clear a lot of space up in your PC, but it also deletes all the temporary files that are making issues for your Roblox. So that is how easy it is to fix the Roblox error code 3403. Okay, so that's pretty much about it for this video. Now, if you enjoyed watching, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.